Dr. Trarags. Can you tell me what's been bothering you? My girl has been cheating on me with the mailman. And when I walked into the house, I saw him clapping my girl on the stove. And then I said, "What's going on here?" And that's when she hopped out of the pan. Anyway, when I woke up, wait, what do you mean by you woke up? Oh, well, after she got out the pan, I stepped forward and he knocked me out. Stop it! You turned your girl to an omelet and then he rocked you.
I reacted to the video like 3 times and I laughed so hard I couldn't even breathe. And it was my own video, by the way.